All right, we've had Thanksgiving dinner, and John is on the bed taking a nap. Says he has to rest up for the big Iron Bowl game tomorrow. Let's check him out.
Candidate Buckley suggested drug addicts should be quarantined and chronic welfare recipients shipped out of the state.
Buckley's campaign is terrific. I followed it every day. It's a Democrat I was working with. And he endorsed it. I endorsed the endorsement and saying, well, Democrat Buckley for mayor. The famous line in the session. So before they asked if I was going to do it, he wins. He said, like, I'm going to do it.
I'd say he'll be well rested.